The beginning of cryptographic forms of money denoted a progressive period in the realm of money, which is very huge. With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and cryptographic forms of money appear to basically be administering the blockchain world. The extremely prestigious digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and so on had their advantage fleeting trend to advance. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, or so they thought. Look at outline of Synthetix before we start with itemized Synthetix cost expectation, or so they thought. Synthetix, the Ethereum contact, forked out of Ethereum in 2019. The mission of Synthetix was to work with a convention that would generally advance the issuance of really engineered resources on the Ethereum blockchain, which sort of is genuinely huge. This in a real sense is pertinent for cryptographic forms of money and manufactured wares like gold, silver, government-issued types of money, engineered sort of converse digital currencies, and kind of engineered cryptographic money files, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Indeed, even the resources which are not blockchain situated would especially get situated under the ecospace of Synthetix, a main consideration that would support and expand the monetary market sprout in every practical sense, going full speed ahead. The diverse Synthetix, SNX genuinely token in an unobtrusive way, drawing in an enormous monetary local area. Synthetix network in a real sense offers an especially diverse blend of financial backers to bargain in the essentially local token portrayed as SNX, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. This digital currency can for the most part create significant pay, which draws in clients to the Synthetix network local area setting higher benchmarks for itself regardless. SNX will outperform the assumptions for all digital money financial backers who basically have given help to this stage and tracked down it very intuitive and simple in a significant manner, as this convention likewise unites the non-blockchain calculation. The genuinely whole peculiarity and basic focal point of this digital currency really are coordinated towards programmability in an unobtrusive manner. This permits the clients to not just advantage from a computerized cash point of view driving its ongoing cost incredibly. As made sense of above, Synthetix convention empowers designers to figure out and chip away at savvy contracts, consequently carrying out tasks under lovely explicit circumstances. Synthetix, the protected investigation. The corporate mission of Synthetix network really isn't to lead exclusively on the development way, which is very huge. The corporate has arranged enormous for the future, leaving on different organizations and coordinated efforts, being recorded on prominent cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance. SNX basically offers a protected and trustworthy stage to its dealers and empowers lesser charges, and a plenty of computerized and essentially manufactured resources most certainly pick and in a real sense pick. These updates and fruitful tie-ups have sped up the force making the ecosphere of shrewd agreements far and kind of wide in a sort of enormous manner. The update in every practical sense has raised the cost of Synthetix on trade significantly in a significant manner. Synthetix, authentic information and investigation, to explicitly make the most dependable future SNX cost forecast. One of the main advances certainly is to examine its previous presentation by and large. On the off chance that we take a gander at the Synthetix cost pattern throughout the past year, it checked nearly flattish energy till mid-June in a very large manner. From that point onward, the SNX cost enrolled its most memorable genuinely large flood and in a real sense crossed $7, which certainly mirrored a lot of early financial backer interest. Afterward, the SNX kind of token confronted revision, and its cost tumbled from $7 to $2.50 in November, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding, in December 2020, it recovered its lost force and retested the $7 mark. Consequently, Synthetix in view of our gauges, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 especially is 37 cents. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 872.77% incredibly. As per our future cost forecasts, Synthetix could exchange between $6.53 minus $7.57 in 1 year. Manufactured cost appears to be profoundly bullish according to our cost estimate, in spite of mainstream thinking. Toward the finish of 2022, it ought to handily swing around $4.46 and $9.39 toward the finish of 2024, which is very huge. The Synthetix cost has the especially potential to arrive at least cost of $50 in the crypto market sometime in the future, despite the fact that temporarily, it might sort of drift at a kind of normal of $60. Synthetix sort of least cost could truly fill triple in future, say by 2026. It ought to have a truly clear convention around $9.94 to $10.83. Synthetix value forecast 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. By concentrating on more limited and longer cost figure through the cost outline, The Synthetix cost in a real sense has been straying from its way typically every several years, which is very huge. So proceeding, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be so really perfect for SNX cost to raise. There truly is an anticipated possibility of Synthetix cost causing a misfortune yet just pitiful, dropping to $6.71 again in 2023. Notwithstanding, this stays as a cynical situation. Synthetix Value Forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in conjectures and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by anticipated that the Synthetix will run the crypto market with an exhibition of cost fixed at $6.93 in the year 2024, which explicitly shows the coin cost has full truly potential to explicitly support as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances, settling on an extraordinary speculation decision for brokers, which is very huge. Synthetix Value Expectation 2025, which is very huge. The year 2025 could check as the benchmark year, as the cost gauge fundamentally is that it will outperform $8.86 definitely, which is genuinely critical. This year, no critical elements like pandemic or downturn essentially are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economy, and it is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would especially be headed for fixed work in every single world economy. With mass reception, SNX basically is assessed to stretch around $9.09 by 2025, and a cent more than ever. Synthetix Value Forecast 2026 in an unpretentious manner. This year could really see the cost of Synthetix floating around the $8.47 minus $9.12 mark. It for the most part isn't not exactly in every practical sense extraordinary news. What started with beneath the $1 imprint could end with the $9.12 mark, which is very huge. Thus, it has helped the market feeling peculiarity radically. Synthetix gauge from that point forward explicitly has begun floating towards good faith instead of negativity. But future cost expectations for the token for this entire year for the most part remain very uplifting, expressing that the cost of Synthetix could leap to about $9.12 toward 2026 in a by and large significant manners in. Where could I at any point purchase Synthetix tokens? Or so they most certainly thought. As an innocent contestant for venture, all regarded trades truly end up exhibiting this token on their item range. You additionally will quite often profit from exchanging Synthetix straightforwardly for government-issued types of money like USD, EUR, GBP, and so on, or especially different coins on lovely many trades following the information. Might I at any point sort of bring in cash with SNX? For sure yes. Since the Synthetix token explicitly is only a couple of years old, its presentation will in every practical sense be very bullish, especially say at kind of the least for a long time. The cost development information can be followed industriously. Clients are encouraged to do their own estimations following beneficial market expectations for exchanging Synthetix, Bitcoin, and other advanced monetary standards, perusing the interest and supply patterns of exchanged resources, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Why certainly is Synthetix cost ascending in a significant manner. The credit at the expansion in costs goes to the confidence